Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So, it is currently almost 8 o'clock and I had to work today, so I did not vlog at all. And now I have to clean the kitchen because we got the fridge in the house. It was so crazy getting it in. I kept popping my head in and out of work trying to see, but it's finally in. And we're also watching Miss Universe because hello, we need to make sure that Miss Colombia makes it in the top 5 at least. We usually do. In case you didn't know, some of the most prettiest girls are from Colombia. And this year is no different. She's actually pretty, but I don't know. I just saw Thailand and she's very pretty. Mommy is adding some more decorations. These little squiggly things all over the tree. Make it look crazy. And over here, look you guys! It is the infamous fridge. It finally matches the rest of the kitchen. This is everything that I have to basically put away. We haven't had time to do it. So my mom was cooking and cleaning the rest. And my dad also put the last one, which is this cabinet right here, so that we can put the cups, because our cups have been wandering around. They should be all in there though now. And ta-da! Basically, the kitchen is almost done, you guys. The only thing missing is we have to put a little border here at the top. And we have to paint the side panels, because these are a little bit more of a dull white compared to the actual cabinets. But it looks really good. I'm so happy how it came out. It's awesome. Oh my God, we sweat that one. We sweat that one. Last one to be called. Oh my gosh. Bonita. Bonita.
El pelo.
Bonita. Oh my gosh. She's so pretty, y'all.
It's right there. Right there.
Él tiene su problema.
Nailed it.
Good job.
Well, you're here.
Yes, I'm here. Are you sure you read correctly? Should I go back? Tell me what to do.
We finished watching Miss Universe top 5. We made it top 5. And now I'm gonna eat some Wendy's because I'm hungry. Mom, if you're seeing this, sorry. So my face has been breaking out pretty bad. Look at that, you guys. This is how you can tell I have not been eating well. It's the holidays, you know, cookies, desserts, eating out, family time has not been doing so hot. So when I get these types of breakouts that are pretty bad, what I like to do is I like to put aloe on my face. And I like to put it in the fridge, get it nice and cold, and then break the pieces and place it on my face as a mask and leave it even overnight. So what I'm gonna do is just that. Except I'm gonna make it kind of like a puree in here and store it that way. So let's do it really fast. All right, so it's all in here. Now we're going to puree this and make it very liquidy. Check it out. It is perfect, very liquidy. Now I'm going to place it on my face with my fingers. So now I'm just gonna let it sit, watch a little bit of TV, do whatever you need to do, and let it dry. Can we just appreciate this dog? Are you comfortable, Stark? Oh, goodness. Since I didn't really get to do much of anything today, I still want to do some sort of Vlogmas. I'm going to just kind of get ready for bed and show you everything that I do. Specifically today, I did obviously the aloe because these breakouts are like out of control, and that's just the reality of life, and sometimes food just affects our skin, and this is for sure my, you know, what I've been eating basically has been affecting my skin. So I'm going to brush my teeth first with my little bamboo toothbrush. And I also like to use the Tom's Luminous White toothpaste. Well, my battery died, so we had to replace it. But like I was saying, I actually use this bamboo toothbrush to obviously brush my teeth. And for toothpaste, I enjoy using this Tom's. This is the Luminous White toothpaste. I don't know, it's just feels really good on my teeth, so I'm gonna brush my teeth real quick and be right back. The next thing that I'm gonna use is my holy grail. It's the Fit Glow Vita Active Serum. This is the vitamin C that I like to use. It just really helps with these sort of breakouts. So I like to use like a little tiny pump like this, literally just that, and then place it all over my trouble zones, especially like here where I have these breakouts. Here around my mouth is another trouble zone. It likes to get dark, and ever since I've been using this, it's been just lighting it up. So basically anywhere that you tend to get dark spots, that's basically where you want to place it. Now that that is sitting there, I'm going to be using the Fit Glow Eye See Firm for the eyes. This is a really nice cream. To be honest though, it's nothing like wow factor. It's just I have it, so I feel like I need to use it. I haven't noticed like a huge difference, to be honest. I think I like more the Osea one. That was like in a little silver ball, you could roll it on. That one was really good. So I'm going to just add this though, since I need to finish it. And then from here, since it's winter, I really loved the Fit Glow Cloud Pomade. That one is fantastic. But I've been on a budget, so I wanted to find something else that was affordable but similar to that one. And this, you guys, it was on sale at Target. This is the Welda Skin Food, and this is their really thick moisturizer one. It's the original ultra rich cream, and it is super thick, and it literally feels like the Fit Glow Cloud Pomade. Like it really feels so much like it, and it's super affordable. I mean, it's not expensive at all. This is what it looks like on my finger, and then I like to just kind of place it all over. I like to lather in this right now that it's winter because my skin is like uber dry, and then I just slowly, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Place it anywhere that I have really dry skin. And it just moisturizes so nicely. You can sleep with this, obviously. It feels just so good. Tomorrow, I'm still gonna wake up with like super hydrated skin. And the best part, it's affordable. So I definitely like this. And just place it anywhere that you feel is super dry. I like to drag it down to my neck too a little bit. For my lips, I use the Fit Glow Beauty Lip Serum. I am almost out of this. I don't have very much, so I need to finish it off and try a new one. I have like a ton, I think, from Petit Vour, so I'm excited, but this is awesome. Oh yeah. Now, that really is basically my whole nighttime routine. Right now though, I'm going to add a little bit more aloe here in these areas because they kind of burn, and I feel like obviously I like broke my skin pretty bad in order to get deep in there and get that blemish out, which you probably shouldn't do, so don't do that, you guys. But I'm going to just get the jar and add a little tiny bit more. So this is my little aloe jar. It's very liquidy, clearly, but I'm going to add a little tiny bit of this to my face and just kind of like spot treat, really. This really helps with these blemishes. I swear by aloe. Like, if you have blemishes, go buy a leaf of aloe plant and you'll see that the scar is gonna be minimum and it's gonna heal like super quick. Ooh, and it was in the fridge. I put it in the fridge so it's nice and cold. But yeah, this is basically my nighttime routine. Other than that, I just go to bed. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It's pretty late right now. It's actually gonna be 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my gosh, technically this isn't like day Vlogmas 8, but it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed just kind of seeing a little bit of how I prep to go to bed. And tomorrow, I don't know, hopefully it's a better day. I just had to work today. Tomorrow I have to work too, but I think I'm going to try to organize my room because Johnny got his new desk, which you guys saw in last vlog, already placed in his room, and the desk that he had in there is now gonna go in my room so that I have a bigger desk to work from work, obviously, like work from home. So yeah, that's gonna be tomorrow's adventure, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.